Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Rou Fan. It's a traditional Taiwanese braised pork rice dish. It goes perfect with white rice. You can't stop eating it. It is very tasty. It is also served as a school lunch in Japan. In this video, I wanted to share with you how to make it in 15-20 minutes. Very quick way of making it. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Chop onion into small pieces. Chop pork into small pieces. Dust the pork with Katakuriko potato starch. Heat sesame oil in a frying pan and cook the onion until soft. Then add the meat and cook until done. Add bamboo shoot strips and quail eggs. Add water. 1 tablespoon of sake, white wine is okay. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Half teaspoon of grated ginger. Half teaspoon of grated garlic if you like. Cook until the sauce thickens. Season with Chinese 5-spice powder if you like. If you don't like the flavor of it, it can be optional, but it gives an authentic flavor. Serve over the rice with barley. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
卵の中に何が入ってるの？
うずらの卵だ。給食にこうやって出てくるの？
うん、美味しい。
よかったです。
生の方が美味しい。
あ、本当？
美味しいです。いっせーのせ、チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタン押してね。バイバーイ。